Start your mornings with fun, creativity, and delicious bite-sized treats your kids will love. Best Mini Waffle Maker for kids makes breakfast exciting with cute shapes, easy handling, and quick cooking. Perfect for busy parents who want smiles at the table every day. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Waffle Wow Waffle Maker. The Waffle Wow Waffle Maker brings a refreshing twist to everyday breakfasts by turning ordinary waffles into playful, buildable creations. Designed with a patent-pending concept, it produces 14 mini waffles shaped like building bricks in a single batch, instantly making it a favorite for families with kids. The different sizes, single, double, and quadruple bricks, add variety and allow for creative stacking, letting users build edible structures like houses or towers. Beyond its fun appeal, the waffle maker is practical and efficient, featuring a reliable non-stick surface that ensures easy removal of waffles without breaking their shapes. Cleanup is simple, requiring just a quick wipe of the plates, which is perfect for busy mornings. The small handheld waffle pieces are easy to grab and eat, eliminating the need for cutting and making them ideal for children. Overall, it's a unique combination of creativity and convenience, offering both entertainment and dependable performance in one compact appliance. Number 2. Gourmia Belgian Waffle Maker. The Gourmia Belgian Waffle Maker is a dependable kitchen appliance that focuses on delivering classic restaurant-style waffles with ease. Its deep grid design is perfect for creating thick, fluffy waffles that hold toppings like syrup, fruits, and whipped cream without becoming soggy. One of its standout features is the PFAS-free ceramic non-stick coating, which not only ensures healthier cooking, but also allows waffles to release effortlessly, reducing the chances of sticking or tearing. The adjustable browning control dial adds versatility, letting users customize their waffles to be lightly golden or deeply crisp based on personal preference. Despite its powerful functionality, the waffle maker maintains a compact size that fits well in smaller kitchens and can be stored upright to save space. It heats evenly and delivers consistent results, making it suitable for both beginners and experienced users. Overall, it offers a great balance of performance, convenience, and thoughtful design for everyday breakfast preparation. Number 3. Disney Mickey Mouse MIC62 Waffle Maker. The Disney Mickey Mouse MIC62 Waffle Maker is a delightful appliance that blends fun design with reliable performance, making it a great addition to family kitchens. It can produce up to 6 mini Mickey-shaped waffles at once, turning breakfast into an enjoyable and engaging experience for both kids and adults. The double-sided rotating feature ensures even cooking on both sides, resulting in perfectly browned waffles with a soft interior. Its non-stick cooking plates make it easy to remove waffles without damaging their iconic shape, while also simplifying the cleaning process. The adjustable shade control allows users to customize the crispness, catering to different taste preferences. With a powerful 1400-watt heating system, it quickly reaches the desired temperature and maintains consistent performance throughout cooking. The illuminated power switch adds convenience by indicating when the unit is ready to use. Overall, it combines charming aesthetics with efficient functionality, making it ideal for creating memorable breakfasts at home. Number 4. Dash MultiMaker Waffle Maker. The Dash MultiMaker Waffle Maker stands out for its versatility, offering more than just traditional waffle-making capabilities. It comes with interchangeable plates, including waffle and griddle options, allowing users to prepare a wide range of breakfast items such as pancakes, eggs, and sausages. This makes it a practical all-in-one solution for busy households looking to simplify their morning routine. The 4-inch ceramic non-stick plates ensure even cooking and easy food release, while also being free from harmful coatings, which adds an extra layer of safety. One of its most convenient features is the removable plates that are dishwasher safe, making cleanup quick and hassle-free. Despite its multiple functions, the unit is compact and lightweight, making it easy to store in cabinets or on countertops without taking up much space. Overall, it delivers a strong combination of flexibility, convenience, and reliable performance for everyday cooking needs. Number 5. Disney Mickey and Minnie Waffle Maker.
The Disney Mickey and Minnie Waffle Maker offers a fun and engaging way to upgrade your breakfast routine with its charming dual character design. Featuring a double flip mechanism, it allows you to make 6 waffles at once, 3 shaped like Mickey and 3 like Minnie, adding variety and excitement to each batch. The rotating design ensures even heat distribution, resulting in waffles that are evenly cooked with a crispy outer layer and soft, fluffy interior. Its non-stick cooking plates make removing waffles easy while preserving their detailed shapes, and they also simplify the cleaning process. The appliance is equipped with user-friendly features such as an illuminated power switch and ready indicator lights, helping users know exactly when it's time to start cooking. Built for convenience and consistent performance, this waffle maker is perfect for families or Disney fans who want to make breakfast more enjoyable without sacrificing efficiency or ease of use.